Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the CMF Watch application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the CMF Watch application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the Watch Pro on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. And here make sure that the share system notification is enabled. If this option is not here, you can close the settings for now. Open the CMF Watch app, tap on device icon, here find the notifications, turn off the notifications, then turn them back on, or if they're turned off, turn them on. Basically try to turn off or on the notifications, and once you do that, after a couple of seconds you should see the pop-up on the screen about the notification permission. And once you see the pop-up, allow all of the required permissions, then close the app, go back to settings, Bluetooth, tap on the info icon, and here you should see this option now and make sure it's enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the CMF Watch app on the list, tap on it, and make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, close the settings, open the CMF Watch application, tap on device icon, tap on notifications, and here you can turn on the notifications of the whole thing, and you can also enable and disable the notifications for specific apps and features. And how it works is basically if you enable notifications, for example, for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone or iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, so you will see notification only on your iPhone. Basically, that's how it works. So enable the notifications for the apps you like, and once you're done, go back to the device page, and I think we can close the application at this point. Now I'm gonna open the Discord, log in, and I'm gonna send myself a message on the Discord so we can check if it's working. Okay, we are logged in now, so I'm gonna send myself a message on the Discord and see if it works. We got the notification on our iPhone, and we got the notification on our watch. If you miss the notification on your watch, you can always swipe up on the home screen to open the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.